Welcome back to Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2015 X5 N63 motor. Got our breather hoses that like to crack. So gonna show a replacement of both the PCV system and the breather hose. New updated ones, rubber molded, much better design. Will not crack later in the future. So we'll get started. We'll start over here on the passenger side. Got the coolant reservoir will come off. Torx bit right here come out. Lift it up out of the way. Allen head, Torx bit right here back behind my finger. Take it out of the way so we can get to the breather on this side. Up and out of the way. That's where we're going to get to. So I'm just going to snap off these hoses since they're getting replaced, because I'll need to twist it out of the way in order to get to that housing assembly to get it taken off. So take out the 2 screws first. This one, I believe, is a twist. It's either counterclockwise or clockwise twist. Little nodule and stuff like that you're going to want to take out. So I'm going to take this stuff out first so I can get some rotating room. So this one's a counterclockwise. It's this little nodule right here. Little nodule right there. You rotate it and it'll pop itself right out. And for the breather hose, pair of needle nose pliers. These are going to be squeeze tabs. Get down there on both sides. Squeeze it and then pick it right up. Always something different. Let's snap off these pieces here, get new ones. get some of this time out my row. There we go. Just like that. Come over here. This will come off. Always this old plastic crap. Never wants to come out easy. Just like that. All right. This side over here is the same. Take off 2 Torx bits. And this one should be a right. Get that out of the way. Take this off. I'm going to destroy this a little bit. There we go. All right, going back together, reverse order. Just make sure you clean off your sealing areas and stuff like that, and all the connecting hoses connect back up. Any questions, comments, please let me know.